What's up, everyone? So it's a night in Ramadan, and well, trying to record one video showing you the scenes here in Riyadh on the roads. There's a lot of traffic, and it's crazy out here, even at this time. However, let us now leave from here. Just had my breakfast, and it's actually cold and windy outside. And well, I turned on the heater of the car, so it's pretty cozy inside, and I have my tea as well. Yeah, let us come down on this ramp. Look at these skies. Interesting, isn't it? Look, I told you there is traffic. There is. Believe me, there is. Maybe on the road you might not be able to see that, but there is. Now we shall take the exit from here. By the way, if you are watching this video and you aren't subscribed, well, you really need to subscribe to the channel. Show some support, everyone. Show some support. Oh, that is interesting. We are on the King Abdullah road, the service lane for the same. Oh, it's pretty cozy in the car right now. but outside it isn't. Oh, there's a diversion. There is a diversion. Let's take the longer route. Let's drive from elsewhere. Let's go from here.